So guys, welcome back to another trade day. So today I just made around $1,000. So as you can see in the screen, I just opened 1,000 share on Nvidia because the market starts to going up. As you can see in the S&P 500, the market is just start to going up, and I just opened one long position on Nvidia, and then I put my profit around 1,000, and also of course my stop loss around $1,000. And the market is coming down a little, and then I go on loss around 500 but hopefully the market is returned back and hit my target. So you can see here and what happened today for my trade. So you can see the S&P start coming down, so just with some candles, some you can see as 2 or 3 red candles. So it's tried to coming down, but hopefully the S&P start to going up, and also market is start to going up. So here is I'm around 300 and 400 in loss. So all the trade is took around 4 minutes. So let's see what happened. So here I just understand maybe is market coming down, and then I put also my stop loss and set my stop loss around $1,000. So the market is trying to going up, and you can see also, as you know, the fundamental or the news is very heavy in this week. The Powell also speak a lot about the inflation, but it's very important actually. So if you are not ready for trade, so don't trade when the news coming out. And yeah, so just be careful and take care of your money, because the market is very heavy, and also the bad news and good news is included. So the market is very moving a lot, so that's why it's important to take care of your money. So here I just put my stop loss around 1,000, and here the S&P started going up, and the market also is starting to going up. So I was around 500 or 600 in the loss, but as you know, I always put my TP and stop loss around 1,000. If I earn 1,000 or lost 1,000, so I just close my trade and I do not trade anymore on that day. So that's very important for me, and this is my trade. So S&P start to going up, and I'm still in the loss, but so when the market is going up so very quickly, so it's always like that. So the market and Nvidia join, so just try the new high. As you can see, I just changed my time frame for S&P to 5 minutes. So you can see that nothing happened actually. So, but in 1 minute, so yeah, there's a lot of. But here you can see the S&P starting going up, and also in Nvidia, so the market is just very quickly going up, and I'm around 500 in this in the profit. So just waited to hit the target. So it's around the 600. So here was the market and going up, and my TP just hit just right here. So I just hit my target, and the market is still going up, but I didn't take a risk. So I just closed my position, and you can see the market was very not bad today. And of course, if you want to be successful in this market, so you should try and make for your own one strategy. And of course, if you want to use this platform which I use, so you can just click on the link in the description, and then you go directly to the sign up page, and then you can sign up, and then you get 1 month free fee, so you don't need to pay any fee to the broker. So that's why it's very important if you want to trade. So yeah, that was all guys, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day.